What's up, my beautiful Fizz fam loyals? This your girl Queen. See me back on your screen. Can you see me? Can you see me now, guys? How about now? Cool, that's what's up. Hope you guys are doing good, feeling good. Did you calm down moment and breathing? Staying you, staying true, and staying prayed up, guys, okay? Your girl is back with another delicious and delectable dinner Alright, so I'm about to share with you guys what I have on deck, up front, close, and personal. Check it. Alright, what you guys are seeing is some delicious mashed potatoes with some Mandarin sauce up in there. Okay, all up in there. And some delicious vegan Mandarin chicken. And I also have some delicious veggies, guys. Got to have those veggies. And as you can see, it's some butter beans, some squash, carrots, string beans, and cauliflower all up in there. Okay. All right, so your girl, you know, is about to get up in this plate, tear it down. All right, guys. Alright, so now that you guys know what your girl is working with, I'm about to say my prayer and get it in. Thank you, Heavenly Father, for this blessed day and this blessed food I'm about to receive for the nourishment of my body. And I pray for the less fortunate. Amen. Amen. Okay, so I'm ready to dig in, guys. Yes, I am. Woo! And you guys know what I always have on deck? Bam! That cold water. Y'all get to that hydration station and get hydrated if you haven't already, okay? Go ahead and get that glass of water in, okay? Let's stay on top of this. Let's do this, guys, okay? Nothing to it but to do it, okay? Gotta just do it. All right, and I just keep my, well, y'all already know what I got. I shouldn't even really have to say it. Y'all know. Honey garlic, okay? Yes, here we go. All right, guys, I'm hungry. I gotta eat. I got to eat. I got to eat. Gotta keep some type of sauce. I do want a little hot sauce on my veggies. Somebody please bring me the hot sauce. Thank you. All right, so yes, guys, I've been trying to get back to sharing some of my dinners with you guys. Thank you so much. And this is some old original hot sauce. I don't even like Burman's hot sauce, but they didn't have the hot sauce that I usually get. And I'm gonna get me some more hot sauce. I don't care for Burman's. It doesn't taste like really good hot sauce. It's alright. It ain't all that though. Okay, I eat Louisiana's hot sauce. But yeah, guys, so I want to share some of these delicious dinners now. It's time to share some of these bad boys. You know what I'm saying? Hee hee. Here, let me let y'all taste some of this. Here. Good, huh? Yeah, I know. I know. Don't y'all want to try some of these delicious vegetables? They so healthy and good for you. Yeah, y'all need y'all veggies. Here, I'll help y'all get y'all veggies on. For those who struggle with it, I can help you get started. Here you go. Have some. So how was that? How was that? Huh? Pretty dang on good, huh? Might as well get out some mashed potatoes. I try to give y'all a little bit of everything on my plate. I be wanting y'all to taste it all because it's so super good. Here you go. Okay. Y'all enjoyed that. Yeah, dog. Yeah, y'all enjoyed that. All right. So, let me go ahead and eat. I'm hungry. I done fed y'all. I gotta eat. First thing I'm gonna go in for is these veggies. Guys, I went to the gym. Did a little weights. Just a little weight. So my triceps under here. And I got to get them back like I had them. It was a little bit tighter than this. Got a little small cut in here, but got to get them back the way I had them. Woo. You know when you're the last one in the gym, you're trying to get it all. Yes, I was the last one in the gym. Sure was. I'm like, dang, ain't nobody up in here but me. Cleaning crew was all up in there. But I got it on. And I feel good. Sorry about that.
I feel good, da-da-da-da-da-da, like I knew that I could, da-da-da-da-da-da. Feel good, so good.
Woo. I'm itching. Okay. Got a little hot up in there. Little small burn. I'm going all this week. Goodness. Going all this week. I went yesterday. Today. I got my treadmill over there. I mean my elliptical. I'm hitting that when I'm at home and push-ups, sit-ups, and squats. I'm telling you, I'm on it, doggone it. Drinking all this water. Whew. If y'all want to know anything about what I'm eating, got a real stubborn itch right there. Comment below if you want to know what I'm eating or where I get it from. some of these vegan dishes. Be more than glad to share it with you guys. I try to share my grocery hauls and everything and show you guys what I have and tell you guys where I get it from. Just in case you're interested. And we're all about that healthy. All about that healthy. I always try to at least every now and then say that we are pescatarians just because we have new subscribers coming in. So just to let you guys know that's new. Been pescatarians for going on 4 years now. I told the story of how we got started, all of us, the whole fam. Because at first, it was kind of just me, but I got Gabby into it and turned her on. And then I talked to the kids about it, the girls, and shared everything with them, let them do their own research and have their own choice as to whether they want to be pescatarians or not. So now we are all pescatarians. That was super good. Woo! That water does it every time. And tell me nothing.
Ain't nobody tell me nothing.
Okay. All right. Can't tell me that water don't work. I see a lot of people are drinking their water though. I really do see a lot of mukbangers into their water. Almost every mukbanger I've watched so far say they have water on deck, and that's what's up. So shout out to all the mukbangers, to all the people, period, that's drinking their water. Anybody, okay? All right, guys, that's going to do it for this here mukbang. I hope you guys enjoyed the show. Thank you so much for watching and listening. Let everybody know what's going on over here on the Healthiest Vlogs channel. Love you guys so much. Make sure that you like, comment, share, and subscribe, guys, okay? All right, so it is
a wrap, a snap, and a clap, guys. Okay, that is going to do it for this mukbang.
All right, so until next time you see your girl Queen see me on your screen, I am signing out, and I love you guys too. Pieces. Like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on post notifications so that you will be notified whenever we upload.